Kyle and Eric from Chaparral Motorsports out here at Glen Helen Raceway to show you this folding aluminum ramp. Now, this is a great ramp if you're looking to load vehicles into the bed of your truck. What was the working weight of this ramp? 750 pounds. This is going to be a great ramp. It's got more of a solid platform, so it's semi-solid, they call it. They've taken pieces and riveted them in place. So instead of having just small little bars that go across, you actually have a nice platform to either walk on or for the tires of your vehicle to roll up and over. As you can see, it's folded in half. We have rubber pieces here at the top to, number one, protect your bed, and number two, to keep it from sliding off. At the bottom here, we have a diamond plate piece that's going to sit against the ground to provide a little traction as well. Eric's going to give us the measurement of the halfway, or the folded in half measurement. So it looks like the measurement here is going to be about 3'9", so just less than 4 feet, which is going to give us a total extended length of just less than 8 feet. The width of the ramp, the working width, is going to be 9 inches. Now, if you have a motorcycle, you could use obviously one ramp. If you have a quad or an ATV, you're going to want to use 2 ramps. Now, this tie-down strap right here is very important. That's going to attach the ramp to the bumper of the truck, and that's going to allow the ramp to not slip out when you're loading under power. All right, we now have this ramp secured with the tie-down strap that takes it to the truck. Now, that's, again, a great feature. If you're powering up this, it's going to keep your rear wheel from kicking the ramp out. If you're walking up the other one and pushing really hard, there's a potential of kicking that ramp out, and that tie-down keeps that from happening. Now you can see that this is almost an 8-foot ramp. It's going to give us a nice, even angle up to the bed of this truck. The curved nature of the top of this is going to give you a nice, smooth breakover. Now, this is going to be great when we move over to the lifted truck. You're going to see how important this curve is, number one, and number two, how important the length is of the ramp, so you get a nice angle that's not so steep. Moving over to the lifted four-wheel drive truck that's about 6 inches higher than the truck that we were just looking at. You can see that the angle of the ramp is significantly steeper than the other truck. But the nice part is because it's curved here at the top, our breakover angle is not quite so steep. So on a ramp that's flat, this angle is going to be quite dramatic here at the top, but the curved nature of this ramp is going to minimize that breakover angle at the top. This is a very sturdy and secure ramp. It's capable of handling a vehicle that has a 750-pound load rating, or you can double that if you're using 2 different ramps if you're loading a 4-wheeled vehicle. I'm Kyle from Chaparral Motorsports. Thanks for tuning in to this loading ramp detailed breakdown. Until next time, take care and ride safe out there.